Today I'll be showing you how to make this crispy KFC style fried chicken at home. This tastes so good, so amazing. The flavors are incredible, and you most likely do not need to go to KFC after trying this recipe. But before we dive right into the video, in case you're not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. It is free. Now let's dive right into it. First off, we're going to be making our dry mixture. In this bowl, I have all-purpose flour. I'm just going to transfer that into another bowl, and to that, I'm going to add some dried thyme, a bit of garlic powder. You want to make sure you're adding garlic powder, please. A bit of ginger powder, a bit of chili powder. I'm also going to add some smoked paprika, and I'm also going to add some oregano. I'll also be adding some chicken seasoning and a bit of salt. That's all the spices and seasonings we'll need for our KFC style fried chicken. Now I'm just going to mix this and combine thoroughly. You want to make sure that you're combining thoroughly to make sure that nothing is left unmixed. Now I'm using drumsticks for this particular recipe. You can use chicken thighs, but these drumsticks, they just bang and they just work right. However, if you don't have access to them, then you can use chicken thighs. These are already cleaned and washed thoroughly. Now I'm just making holes or poking holes in them. This is to make sure that when I do add my seasoned batter to the chicken, it penetrates properly. I want to make sure that every part of my chicken is properly seasoned, and I highly recommend you do the same. After doing that, now we're going to make our wet mixture. Into my bowl, I'm going to add some full cream milk. I'm also going to add a bit of eggs, just 2 eggs actually. The full ingredient list and their quantities are going to be in the description box, so please check it out. After adding that, I'm going to mix thoroughly and combine. Now I'm going to divide the dry ingredient that we made earlier into two, and then I'm going to add half of it into the wet mixture. We are now going to mix that and combine thoroughly. While we are here, you guys, in case it's the first time you're hearing my voice, or in case it's the first time you're seeing a video from me, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I share recipe videos like this. I also share a bit of my lifestyle in vlogs. If you like premium content, I think you should subscribe to this. The fact that you even clicked on this video means you like premium content, so you can subscribe to my channel, and if you found the video helpful, please like the video and share the video. After mixing it thoroughly, now I'm just going to transfer into our cleaned and poked chicken. Then I'm just going to let that sit for about 5 minutes before mixing anything. I'm using my hand for this, and my hands are properly cleaned and washed. Please, if you don't want to use your hand, of course you can use gloves or whatever. I am just using my hands because I prefer to use my hand. Now I'm also just going to mix this thoroughly. Then I'm going to transfer from the wet to the dry, back to the wet, and then back to the dry. That's how you want to make sure you're coating the chicken. So you're going from the wet back into the dry, and then back to the wet again. So you're giving this a double coat basically. That is how you want to try it, or that's how you want to make it, to make sure that it comes out right. This could take a long period of time, or depending on the amount of chicken you're using, but it definitely is worth it. So please always give your chicken a double coat. This is what the chicken looks like after all the double coating. It looks so good already, but let's just move ahead. Now I'm just going to transfer some vegetable oil into my saucepan. As you can see, my saucepan is very deep. You want to make sure that you're frying your chicken in a deep pot or saucepan like this. This is just going to make sure that it deep fries, because we're actually deep frying this chicken. Now I'm going to transfer the chicken into the oil, and we're going to fry this for 18 to 20 minutes. You guys, please and please cook on medium heat and fry for this long. You don't want to have uncooked chicken in your hands or anything like that. So it is very important that you actually fry this for long. I'm going to show you what the results look like after each of the minutes. Anyways, for this particular first batch, after frying for about 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. We are not there yet. It looks good, but I can tell that it is actually not cooked properly inside, so you want to avoid issues like that. Now this is what it looks like when it is properly cooked, when it is properly fried. this is the result you should be looking for. So please and please be patient. 15 to 20 minutes medium heat and you're going to get your desired result. I'm just going to set that on some paper towel to drain out the excess oil. Then I'm going to repeat the process. Also, let me state that when you're frying your chicken, you do not want to overcrowd the pot. As you guys can see, I fried 3 before and then I'm frying 4 now. That is how you want to make sure you're frying your chicken, to make sure that nothing goes wrong. On the left here, we have what it looks like after frying for 5 minutes, and on the right, we have what it looks like after frying for 10 minutes, and then this is what it looks like after frying for 20 minutes. There is a clear difference, you guys. Now that's how you make your crispy KFC style fried chicken at home. This was so delicious. Please, if you found the video helpful, kindly click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, share the video, let me know what you think about the recipe. The full ingredient list and their quantities are going to be in the description box, so please check it out. Also, I'm adding a clip here just to show you guys what the inside of the chicken looks like after frying, just to convince you that this is actually properly cooked and done, so you don't have to be afraid if you fry for the long time or for the exact time I've asked you to fry for. This is what it looks like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.